Never delete a game on your PS5 with this Corsair SSD and 8 terabytes worth of greatness. Position your PS5 Slim as such, have the HDMI basically upside down, place your PS5 down, pop open this panel, and then you'll have access to where you'll be installing your SSD. Unscrew this panel right here, and once you have access to it, go ahead and start unboxing your product. Remove your Corsair SSD drive, and this thing is just amazing. It's 8 terabytes of greatness on your fingertips. And let's get back into this. Pop in your SSD to the slot and then use the screw provided by Sony to secure it in place. Then secure the other panel with the screw again that's provided by Sony. And then you'll have the last outside panel that you just pop in. Boot up the PS5, format the 8 terabytes, and that's how you'll